What's up, loves? It's Anam, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I post videos up every single Friday at 2:30 p.m. about life, beauty, organizing, and people that I do life with. So if you want to, hit the subscribe button down below and join me. And in today's video, we are in part 3 of my travel series on my channel, and we're going to be talking about organizing when it comes to traveling. So we're gonna get straight into it. Number 1, I highly recommend this, and I always talk about it on my Instagram, is packing cubes. Oh my word, packing cubes will save you so much time and will save you so much room. I'm telling you, whoever created this idea is a genius. I love packing cubes because you always get a set with a packing cube, and you can put in different items like pants in one cube, shirts in another cube, and just the way that it is sized, the square size, fits into your suitcase so well. I highly recommend it. It makes your suitcase look really organized, really nice, and honestly, you're not as stressed out about it, in my personal opinion. So I highly recommend getting yourself some packing cubes. Number 2 is to get a laundry bag. Now, yes, sometimes you might be traveling and it might be a long trip, it might be a short trip, but let's be honest, things will get dirty here and there, and also your undergarments, I'm gonna say it. You want to put that into your laundry bag, and if you don't have a laundry bag at the moment, I highly recommend and personally use Ziploc bags, and I use a gallon size one. I'll take a couple with me, and as soon as something gets dirty or I don't want to wear it anymore, I'll put it in the Ziploc bag, I'll seal it tight, and just chuck it into my suitcase. That way, it's for you to know that, hey, those are my dirty clothes, and then also your suitcase is not going to smell, which is actually really helpful. Number 3 is to create a packing list. Now, when you decide where you're going to be traveling to, I find it really helpful to create a packing list, because that lets me know what I need to get, what I need to pack, how many of, maybe pants, shirts, socks, undergarments that you're going to need for that trip, and it helps you to not overpack or underpack for anything. So it's really helpful to create a packing list once you decide where you're going to be going. Number 4 is to check the weather on where you're going. Now, I always do this a week before I end up going on my trip, because it's really helpful to find out, hey, what's the weather going to be like? Do I need to bring like a thicker jacket? Do I need to bring like different pants, or can I wear shorts? It's just really helpful to know, and then that also just saves you time and also saves you room on packing what clothes you're going to be bringing. And that brings me to my 5th tip, and that is to plan your outfits. I can't emphasize this enough, because sometimes, yes, actually not sometimes, I am an overpacker, and I'm trying to get better at not overpacking, is to plan your outfits, because it's really helpful to see, hey, how many days am I going to stay there? What am I going to actually wear? And how can I save room in my suitcase? And you guys know that my outfits are always neutral, and it's always so helpful because you can always mix and match with them. And so I try and bring, if it's a long trip, like maybe 4 to 5 shirts, 4 pairs of pants, and I'll say 4 shoes. And from there, I will start planning what shoes go with which shirt and pants, so then you're not doubling what you're wearing on the second day. And then it's just super easy for you to do. So those are my 5 helpful tips when it comes to being organized when you travel. I hope that these tips help you. I will make sure and mention them in the description box down below for you to reference from. And if you like this video, or you want me to make more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up, and that'll let me know to create more videos. But I am so excited for next week. It will be part 4 of my travel series before I go to London. I'm so excited. And I have a special guest on my channel, but I'm not going to say who it is, because you're just going to have to wait and see the following week. But I hope you loves have a great week. I'm looking forward to next week, and I love you so much. This is take 3. I think this is going to be the video. Okay. Take 5. I think 5 is my number. So if you want to hit the subscribe and oh my god. Okay.